I'm Viridana Padilla, and I'm going to do classical conditioning and the operant conditioning experiment for Mr. Fortune's psychology class. For my classical conditioning, I'm going to make a knocking noise be my neutral stimulus that I wanted to become conditioned to a response. So as my neutral stimulus, it's going to be the knocking, and then my unconditioned stimulus is me offering chips to my little cousin, and then and then it's going to give me an unconditioned response. So by the end of many trials, the neutral stimulus is going to become the conditioned stimulus, and I'm going to get a conditioned response by just the knocking. For my operant conditioning, I'm going to use my cousin that uses her phone too much, and I want her to stop her behavior of always being on her phone when she's with people. So I'm going to offer her a chip when she gets off of it. And so I hope that by giving her a positive reinforcement, by giving her the chips, she's gonna not want to use her phone. I don't know if it'll work in the long run, but it might work for the while we're doing it.
Too slow, the goblin's gonna get 2 stabs on the tower. It's very important to react really fast with melee units to counter the goblin barrel.
Yeah.
This is a really useful combo. If you plant the skeleton reach, the barrel is just beyond the reach of the perfect blob, and to the untrained eye, it's really hard to differentiate this from a leg. It happens more often than not, so this position is better when you're sitting on the toilet casually flash around. But it will not work to the trained eye. The barrel's fine.
You want to check? Yeah.
Hello, my name is Baptist Kyran.
It is. The average player will always barrel the back, and this makes sense.
Jimmy.
Generally, you can tell if it's a deep barrel if you look at the shadow
okay.
that arrives at the ridge. If the shadow itself is really high, it's going to be
Classical conditioning actually worked. I knocked, so the neutral stimulus became the conditioned stimulus, and he gave me a conditioned response. He asked for the chip without me offering it, with just me knocking, so it worked. My operant conditioning didn't kind of work because she still kept using her phone a lot, but I feel like she understood what I was doing, because she would be like, why aren't you giving me one when I want one? Because she was on her phone. So I think she kind of saw what I was doing, but she didn't care. So it kind of didn't work, but I think it kind of worked, but it could have worked better.